What's going on, Faded Culture? We are back with another, I'm tripping. What's up, Faded Culture? Today, we're filming a tutorial for Wahl. They sent us a whole bunch of tools and they're paying us. It still feels crazy. We've been working with their tools for years, almost like since we started, to now them noticing us and working with us. It's pretty cool. But welcome to the Faded Culture Lab.
Yeah, so just like my brother mentioned, Wahl is about to sponsor a full tutorial. I'm about to show y'all some of the tools that they sent us. So come back here into the closet. Wait, we can't even show the closet because if they break in and then they know where the closet and they know where the tools are at, and then
Wahl's gonna be
cut
pissed.
that part out. So cut that part out. Yeah, let me bring the tools out. We unpackaged these yesterday. We shot a full tutorial with them. And again, shout outs to Wahl. It is crazy. Let me put them down right here though. We got the cordless barber combo, super sick. This obviously, if you know Faded Culture, if you know us, if you've been rocking with us, you know this black set fits our aesthetic. The gold, I mean the gold is gold. You can't go wrong with gold. Shout out to Big Dog Tino. The gold. That's everything else they've sent. I mean, they have sent us a few stuff throughout the years.
Still got more.
It's crazy, look at that. What's cool is some of the stuff that they sent before it even drops. That's what's cool. Trusting us to review their products, use their products.
This is just some, and then a lot of the stuff we've been giving away on our tutorial just to kind of pay back to the culture, to the community. If y'all still don't know, we have an online mentorship on the school platform. We do have it linked in this description under here, or y'all can just go to fadedcultureacademy.com and check it out, where we're able to just, it's an online mentorship. It's an online community, a bunch of people like you that are trying to grow, learn how to cut hair, learn how to market themselves. Everything that we've done to get us to our success, or giving us our success, is everything that we're giving back and teaching. Throughout that program, we do a lot of giveaways, and all you gotta do is participate. If you're interested, again, the link is in the bio. Watch the first video and we explain exactly how to enter for these giveaways. We never asked Wahl for anything, guys, and that's probably the main point of making this video, is hopefully we inspire you to do the same. Or if you're out there looking for brands to work with you, we're gonna talk about a few points on how to go about that, especially now that we have our own brand, fadedculture.com. We'll show you what we like to look for in people to give them products so that they can help us promote and partner up with us.
And if you're interested in trying out some of these Wahl products, you trust our judgment, the fact that we're telling you they're good products, not just because they sponsored us. Just like my brother mentioned, we've been rocking with them for years. You can use fadedculture15 at wahlpro.com and get 15% off any of these products, which I highly suggest you do try them out if you haven't already.
Or if y'all haven't even tried the tools, y'all can go on our channel, subscribe to it, and check out all of our tutorials. We're always using Wahl, even the videos that they don't sponsor. We genuinely fuck with the brand, so we use their tools. They're one of the oldest clipper brands in the industry. They've been around, so they got their shit down when it comes to providing quality tools. They're not just gonna break down on you in a week. They're gonna outlast a lot of tools that you actually see out here in the market today. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do a tutorial. We're shooting content like we said, so we're gonna some behind the scenes action of these tools in use. Thinking I'm gonna use this set since it comes with the trimmer and the clipper. This one's hard too though, right here. This one's one of my favorite right now. The high vis.
Yeah, true, that one's strong.
Sleek, strong, and it's really dope. I like it.
Yeah, it's going down, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down.
Oh, I thought you were actually gonna do it. Then I was gonna have to explain to mom.
I actually do it. It's like caffeine.
True.
If you look at the ingredients, it says caffeine. A lot of people don't know that, yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's going down, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down. Whole time, trap bleeding, we still with them.
Okay, so how do you get brands to notice you so that y'all could be potential partners in the future? For us, man, the way we looked at these brand deals, it wasn't us from the beginning just jumping in and asking for free clippers or asking them to sponsor us just for the free. We were always just focused on our craft. All we thought about was how do we get better at what we do and how do we get better at showing it off. That goes with learning and getting better with the technical skill, getting better at our fades, getting better at our haircuts overall, getting better at how we took the pictures, how we did the videos, how we did our tutorials and whatnot. And organically, the tools that we used just happened to be Wahl because they've been around for a long time. When we first started cutting hair, there weren't that many clippers out for you to purchase. There was probably only like 3 major brands that were selling clippers. And Wahl happened to be one of the clippers that was out. You know, they've been putting out clippers since I couldn't even tell you, probably when Jesus started walking, you know. They've been in the game for a very long time. They're a trusted brand. They're clippers and tools that you're gonna purchase, and they're gonna outlast a lot of these tools that are just coming out today. Not to say that tools out there today ain't good, it's just clippers like Wahl, they've already proven their quality. You know, clippers that I bought, I'll hold on to them for about 2 to 4 years before they break on me. We never asked Wahl for anything. From time to time, we would tag them and they would just reshare our post, and that was enough for us. They were tools that we were already organically using. We genuinely trusted the brand. You know, their customer service was always great. Just like in barbering, you know, your customer service has to be great. So I wanted to align myself with a brand that, you know, shared the same values. It's things like that that you gotta consider when you're looking for a brand to sponsor you. You know, do you already use their products organically? Then if not, then go ahead and start investing into them. Like purchase something that catches your interest, whether it be a clipper tool or a clipper product, a hair product, whatever it is, and then start using it and start practicing your marketing skills. You know, these are also things that we teach in our online mentorship, how to capture your work better so that brands can notice you. Why would you want to work with a clipper company or a product company that you don't even really care or like the product? Use it for a period of time. See how your clients like it. See how you like it. See how it lasts you. If you know it's a product that you genuinely align with, then go ahead and start marketing it. You know, shout them out. Give them their good feedback and start building that relationship with the brand, tagging them. Once brands see things like that, focus on your content, focus on your marketing, and watch how these brands, they'll start noticing you little by little as you're organically just tagging them all the time. And don't think that just because you post 2 to 3 posts that they're gonna notice you right away. You know, that's why I say you have to genuinely fuck with the product, because you're always gonna have it in stock, or you're always gonna be using the clipper. You're gonna be tagging it throughout the time. Always shout them out. You're simultaneously showing off your work as well. Eventually they'll notice you. Another tip that you could do is actually going to these hair shows like barber expos and go post up at their booth. A lot of people that run the social medias for these big brands are there at the booth. You know, they're looking for potential next ambassadors or potential next partners to collaborate with. So go out there, meet, shake their hands, introduce yourself, show them who you are, and then when they look at your profile, you just never know what kind of connections you can make, and you never know who is watching your work. So, and like I said, if you feel like you're stuck and you need more help with that, go ahead and check out our online mentorship. It's 7 days for free, so you can see the community, what it's about, and then we're there to answer any questions or point out any feedback that we can give you to help you to get your haircuts to look better, or your marketing or your pictures or videos to look better. And if you're watching this and thinking that this can't be you, you're tripping, because it really can. You know, my brother and I, we started, like we said, in the back of our parents' house, and we made it work with what we had. You know, all you need is a simple setup of tools. Care a little bit about how your presentation look. You know, in the beginning, I know you may be limited, but you can always figure out ways to make your space look good. It all comes with learning to develop your eye. If you force your eye, when you take a picture and you force your eye to look for how can I have taken this picture to look better, it's just gonna develop you to your fullest potential as a creator. And my brother and I, we're nobody special. We're just two barbers that fell in love with the craft, fell in love with marketing, kind of just showcasing what we did and how we did it. Man, there's a bunch of free tutorials on YouTube on how to take better pictures with your phone or your camera or whatever it is, how to storytell better, how to cut hair better. So there's no excuse for you to feel that you can't reach these brands and build potential partnerships with them. But to wrap it up, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Wahl for believing in us, and a huge shout out to everybody watching, everybody that's contributed to our brand and to our growth from day one. You know, we have a lot of people on our channel that have been watching our tutorials from day one, and we really, really appreciate all y'all's support, every comment, every like, every reshare, every purchase that y'all have gotten from fadedculture.com. You know, we really, really appreciate the support that y'all have given us over the years. Thank y'all so much, guys. Let me know in the comments if y'all have any questions when it comes to brand deals or working with other brands. And if you're looking to work with us, use our products, try them out, see if you even like them. And if you do, you know, tag us. We're always resharing people that use our stuff organically. But with that being said, thank y'all so much for watching. We're gonna see y'all on the next video. Peace.